If you're tired of paying monthly for AI tools, struggling to create content, or feeling like everyone else is making money with AI except you, this video could save you hundreds of dollars this year. Today, I'm reviewing Gemini AI 3, a brand new AI platform that claims to give you access to Google's most powerful AI tools for a one-time low price. No subscriptions, no tech skills, no complicated setup. Let's see if it actually delivers. Here's the short answer. Gemini AI 3 is not magic, but for the price, it's surprisingly powerful. If you're a beginner, affiliate marketer, content creator, or small business owner who wants AI tools without monthly fees, this is worth a serious look. And yes, I've also secured a huge bonus package for anyone who grabs it through the link below. I'll show you those bonuses in a minute. So what exactly is Gemini AI 3? Gemini AI 3 is a cloud-based, all-in-one AI platform that lets you generate images and graphics, articles, books and scripts, videos and video ideas, music, voice, and creative content, marketing assets like sales pages and emails, all by typing simple text prompts. This is perfect for new affiliate marketers, bloggers and YouTubers, freelancers and agency owners, anyone who doesn't want to pay monthly for ChatGPT, image tools, or video tools. And the biggest problem it solves is this: I don't know how to create content or use AI without getting overwhelmed. Let me quickly explain how the dashboard works. After you log in, everything runs in your browser, no downloads, no setup. You'll see a simple dashboard where you choose what you want to create: images, text, videos, music, or marketing content. You type a prompt like, create a YouTube thumbnail for an affiliate review, or write a sales page for an AI software. The system uses its built-in AI engine to generate the result in seconds. You can tweak the output, regenerate variations, or download the content and use it anywhere. This works on desktop, tablet, or mobile, which is great if you like working on the go.
Welcome to NanoFlow, your one-stop shop for image generating and access to 100+ other AIs. First, let's go through the main thing about NanoFlow, which is the Nano Banana chat image generator. And we're just going to go with Nano Banana here, and I'm just going to give it a prompt. Click on send. Then Nano Banana is going to pick that up. It's going to create a crisp, really nice image for us. And then in the same conversation, we're going to be able to chat with it and ask for modifications. Let's ask it to make the product red. And it's going to pick up on all of the conversations that you have, and it's going to improve the image with every prompt to make sure that it's something that you are looking for. You can even add your own images and have Nano Banana edit those. You can tell Nano Banana your style, your brand voice, your brand colors, whatever you want to generate the best images for you. With unlimited conversations that you can have and unlimited images that you can create, NanoFlow comes in strong with a bunch of other AIs that you can use, including a video generator using DALL-E and even a standalone image generator where you can just create simple, non-chat based images. NanoFlow is extremely simple to use. After your purchase, you'll get your login details. You'll be able to log into this dashboard here. You'll have access to 24/7 support and training materials to help you get started with NanoFlow. And you're going to have all of these AIs here trained to help you succeed. And with our 30 days money back guarantee, NanoFlow is a no-brainer. Buy it, check it out. We hope you like it, and I hope to see you inside.
Now let's talk about the upgrades, because this is a Warrior Plus launch. The front-end price is around $17, which is very affordable. Then you'll see optional upgrades. OTO 1 around $36 for more power and fewer limits. OTO 2 around $26 for additional features. Several mid-level upgrades around $36 each. Higher-end upgrades at $97 for automation and agency-level features. A final premium upgrade around $197 for advanced users. You do not need all of them to get results. The front end works on its own. My advice, start small and only upgrade if you actually need the extra features. Now, this is where the real value comes in. When you grab Gemini AI 3 through the link below, you also get my exclusive bonus bundle designed to help you turn AI content to traffic and commissions. Here are just 10 of the bonuses you'll receive. Bonus 1, WP Swift Page Plugin. Helps speed up your website and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 2, Lead Up Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your email list. Bonus 3, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to emails and pages to boost conversions. Bonus 4, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords from Google, YouTube, and Amazon. Bonus 5, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better search engine rankings. Bonus 6, Two-Step Opt-in Generator. Create high-converting opt-in pages without tech skills. Bonus 7, Affiliate Marketing Thrive Training. A full video course on how to succeed as an affiliate marketer. Bonus 8, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build your email list with attention-grabbing sidebars. Bonus 9, Backlinks Warrior Software. Find high-quality backlinks to improve SEO. Bonus 10, Email List Secrets Video Training. Learn how to build and profit from email lists long-term. And that's just a small part of the bonus stack. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the price of GeminAI 3. Remember, you only get these bonuses if you use the link below. So here's the final verdict. GeminAI 3 is a solid, beginner-friendly AI platform that removes monthly fees and simplifies content creation. It's not a magic money button, but used correctly, it can save time, cut costs, and help you create more content faster. The bonuses are limited, and once the launch period ends, they will be removed. If you're watching this later, there's a good chance the bonuses are already gone. Click the link below now to lock in the lowest price and secure the full bonus package before it expires. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have questions. To get GeminAI 3 plus all the bonuses I showed you, click the link in the description. After purchase, your bonuses will be delivered instantly inside the members area. Take action now, because once the deadline hits, the steal is gone.